another video for you. So today I decided that I was gonna go for super easy. I was going for ease, limited amount of ingredients, low budget, and I'm gonna show you how to make poppin' grilled cheese. Like, I figured out the secret. Like, I did some extensive grilled cheese research and I have the keys, okay? I have the major keys, okay? So first things first, I'm trying 2 different methods. I'm gonna show you, the real deal, and then I'm gonna show you that, what is it called? Toaster grilled cheese hack. It's more like a toaster grilled cheese hoax, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you anyway. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. In the meantime,
first, I'm going to show you how to make grilled cheese the right way. Get your mayonnaise, get your bread, spread your mayonnaise onto your bread, and while you've got that going, just make sure you have a pan on medium-high heat. A non-stick pan. You want a non-stick pan for this. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the mayonnaise side down and then go ahead and get my cheese. Now, in my grilled cheese research, I heard a lot of people saying that shredded cheese and grated cheese is just better. It melts better. I don't know if that's true. I just know that it was popping, so I just put my cheese on my bread and then I put my other side, mayonnaise side, up this time. And so you know that it's ready to flip when it's browned on one side, and like you can see here, it is. So I'm gonna allow the other side to get brown, and it looks good, so I'm gonna go back to that front side and let it get a little bit more toasty. So now I'm just gonna take my grilled cheese out, put it on my cutting board, and cut it up. And it's just like that. You can have applause-worthy, award-winning, extra tasty, poppin' grilled cheese. Standing ovation. All right, here's what not to do. This toaster hack thing, first thing, you gotta make sure that your bread will fit in the toaster. So if you're like me and it didn't work, go ahead and cut your bread a little bit smaller so that it'll fit in there. Now, unlike the skillet version, you don't want to have any butter or mayonnaise or anything on your bread because that's going in your toaster. All that grease and nastiness is going to make it more of a mess. I already made a mess, and I didn't even have the butter or mayonnaise on there. Anyway, cheese is going on the bread. So I've got the non-cheesy side going down first, and then I'm going to put the cheesy layer on top. And, just be very careful with this. So I just kind of held it together while I pressed down the lever. So I was nervous, so I did it on the light setting first. It started smoking, and it kind of just shot out of the toaster, and as you can see, all the cheese wasn't melted. So I said, you know what, why not? Let's go back for a second attempt. And then that happened. Did you miss it?
No. No. She wasn't ready.
So it did actually melt that layer of cheese, but this hack was just an overall thumbs down for me. But the mayonnaise on the bread in the skillet version, now that's a major key.